The all-new Gen 2 XB headlights from Morimoto are here for the 2018 to 2023 Ford Mustang, and they are packed with features. With a true attention to detail, there's no compromise in technology, quality, styling for your S550.2 Mustang. These new lights feature a triple bi-LED projector, so there's no compromise in the performance department. We're talking a nice, wide and bright low beam and the darkness-destroying high beam that Morimoto is known for. All of this while maintaining DOT compliance even. The turn signals in DRL illuminate through a reflector-based optic that has a special texture to the surface for maximum brightness whether day or night. We've added our signal swap feature so you can easily personalize the functionality of both the DRL and the turn signals with our swappable keys. You can have amber or white DRLs, you can even have sequentially side-to-side turn signals, or a more traditional on and off with an elegant fade-off feature. Now we'll go over the install. Raise the hood of the car, remove the 8 plastic push clips securing the radiator cover, and remove the radiator cover. Remove the 6 8mm bolts and 2 5.5mm bolts that secure the top edge of the bumper cover. Moving to the front wheel well, locate the 3 plastic push clips shown below and remove them. You may need to turn the wheel to one side to better access the fender liner. Pull back the fender liner where the bumper cover meets the fender and remove the 2 10mm nuts that secure the bumper cover to the fender. Pry down on the bracket that attaches the bumper cover and fender and remove it. Repeat these steps on the other side of the car. Remove the 15 7mm screws from the underside of the front bumper cover. Lift up on the top edge of the bumper cover to lift it up and over the 5 studs that hold it in place. Then pull the bumper cover forward just off of the car. Unplug the fog lamp on either side of the car by pressing down on the release tab on the connector and pulling away from the fog light housing. With both fog lights disconnected, set the front bumper cover aside. Remove the 13mm bolt from the side of the headlight. Remove the 2 10mm bolts from above and below the headlight housing. Slide the headlight forward. Pry the wire clip loose from the back of the headlight housing. Then unplug the headlight connector from the back of the housing and set the headlight housing aside. Repeat these steps on the other side of the vehicle. Connect the turn signal harness to the factory headlight plug and turn signal plug on both sides of the car. With the Morimoto XB mode selector keys, you can decide what style you'd like for the daytime running light and turn signal. The red key makes the DRL white and the turn signal fade off. The blue key makes the DRL white but the turn signal sequential. The green key makes the DRL amber and the turn signal fade off. The black key makes the DRL amber and the turn signal sequential. Choose from the color-coded keys for your desired style. Install the mode selector from your preferred mode into the 3-pin connector on each of the turn signal harnesses. This can always be changed after install if desired. A pair of extension harnesses are provided so that you can route the mode selectors to a more accessible location for changing later. Make sure the vehicle and the headlights are off when changing mode selectors. Connect the headlight plug on the turn signal harness to the new headlight assembly and secure the headlight on the vehicle. Repeat this step on the other side of the vehicle. Then you're going to reassemble the vehicle in the reverse order of disassembly. The headlights come out of the box aimed for stock ride height. However, it is recommended to fine-tune the aim of your low beams after installation regardless. Using a long Phillips head screwdriver down the back of the headlight to the adjuster gear, follow the instructions to properly align your headlight's low beam cutoff. With the vehicle parked on level ground 25 feet away from a wall, measure the distance from the ground to the optical center of the outermost projector in the headlight. If the distance from the ground to the optical center is less than 34.5 inches, adjust the top of the headlight cutoff to the same height as the headlight measurement you took. Factory ride height and lower falls in this range. If the height is between 35 inches and 39 inches, adjust the cutoff to 2 inches below your headlight measurement. You can get all these features in a headlight that fits like OE, is a truly plug-and-play install, and is backed by an industry-leading 5-year warranty. So head on over to morimotolighting.com to get your set today.